Guys, let's take a knife, open this up, and show you what we have in stock for you. Guys, you see the seal? There's only 2 people that have access to this. One of them is me, and one of them is the head of shipping at my factory in Italy. Let's break the seal. And this one, this is where the gold is, as well as the moissanite items. I have something special in this box for you. Now we're going to weigh these boxes. What do you guys think? Who weighs more, me or all of these boxes? Let's find out. Ooh. This is the one we already opened up. Let's start taking out all of the stuff. And this is the special box that I was telling you about. 8mm prong set, black moissanite. Miami Cubans are going to be listed on the website later on. I told you guys on Friday, they're already here. Guys, I honestly broke a sweat opening these boxes, but I have about 200 kilos of silver. For all of my drop shippers from Chinese websites, this is Italian jewelry that we have in-house in the United States. This is a Miami Cuban link that's going on the website pretty shortly. Look at the quality, look at the high polish. What else do we have here? We have Franco. Beautiful, beautiful links. Puff Gucci chains, and a lot more. And if you guys are trying to find the plug, Italiano Silver Ink, that's the manufacturer. Google it. Hint is, that's also our company. We manufacture the chains, we ship the chains. Guys, the work is far from done. We have to sort all of these chains by designs. So the Cubans go over here, Puff Gucci's over here, Franco, and so forth. Then we have to weigh it to make sure that the loss of materials is minimal, because when we buy silver and when we make chains, the weight has to pretty much be on point. Then we have to sort them out into bins like this by length. Make sure everything is properly sorted, because when you order a 20-inch chain, we don't want to send you a 22 or an 18. And finally, we have to ship it to your door, just like this. When you get your jewelry, you open it up and you're amazed by the quality.